the other things that were inside that building. Yeah, I can check it out. Yeah, I can finish this stuff exchange. Why did you put off those? Oh my god. Okay, you're gonna put down those piercings. And why not wearing those goggles? Put them on, come on. That's an order, I don't know if you understand. Okay, let's be careful. Actually, the thing that killed me every time is that I turned on the flashlight. So let's just try not to turn on the flashlight. Yeah, there are too many traps here inside. It's just impossible. I have to do it so energetically. Okay. I think we're fine with that one. Damn it, I can't see without the flashlight. Where are those bombs? Will they drop if I just pass through? It could be possible. Okay, perfect. Managed to that. No! What a mistake. Okay. Flashlight can't cast gas and fire. This is all a matrix. I just need to understand it. Where is that mini nuke? And I refuse to believe that was a cash register that exploded like a mini nuke. Where is the cause of that explosion? Cameras. Damn it. Okay, I give up. Maybe this truck is actually nuclear powered. Okay, let's proceed a little bit more. Did this explode? Did this explode? Is that like a nuclear generator? So greedy. I'm gonna pay for it. Disarm it. And now if I could only disarm this gas. I need to control myself not to turn on the flashlight. What the fuck? Who made this? And why? Is it all a part of a trap? So just two keys. You can see very well. One of my favorite boots. What was the cause of those two explosions? Two Fatman explosions. Well, I think that's what you get when you nuclear power everything. From cars to computers. Wow, that shadow was cool. Yeah, look at that. Guy in power armor. Okay, I didn't deactivate this one, maybe I get some experience. No, I'm getting experience. But okay, there were some more things. There was that book. I can't turn on the flashlight to find it. Come on. Damn it. Maybe it appears only when you activate those bombs. Who knows? Maybe it's here somewhere. I really think this is the only thing that exploded. And I don't really know what it is. But it explodes hard. Okay, I think I've picked up some things. And okay, the weather is fine now. But I'm not sure if we will be able to carry all the stuff we get from Evergreen Mills. So that's why I'm going to go home and clean the Evergreen Mills tomorrow. So we'll just go from here. It's far away, but the only problem is the stuff. Why am I not wearing those goggles? I really don't understand it. That's an order. Oh, he can't carry anymore. How did that happen? He just decided that he's not carrying anything. So he's a quite an unpredictable guy. One moment he just decides, that's all, I'm not carrying your stuff anymore. Any more of your stuff. Okay, still carrying the stuff I gave you. So I need to go to Megaton. Let's make a save in case. Pause directly. Stop, Malcolm. Don't be so impatient. Why is it so dark? So now I'm thinking, should I can buy a workbench, actually, at Moira's place. And I can sell her some stuff I have.